Hello, in this session we will try to understand contact tracing. Even today, if you visualize the situation of COVID-19, we get to see the clustering of cases at many places. On this background, contact tracing and putting all the contacts into quarantine for next 14 days becomes one of the important strategy for breaking the chain of transmission of COVID-19. Now, what is contact tracing? Contact tracing means identification of contacts of COVID-19 confirmed case. Confirmed case means where the swab examination of the person is positive for coronavirus, and to place them in quarantine for 14 days either in their home or at designated quarantine or COVID care centers to keep them under observation for development of COVID specific symptoms and signs and prevent exposure to others who are non-infected so far, so as to break the chain of transmission. Next important question here comes: who are to be considered as contacts with a case of COVID-19? Number one is where there is a face-to-face interactions within a distance of less than 3 feet with COVID positive patient or individual for more than 15 minutes continuously without any stipulated protective measures at any time during the last 14 days, either at working place or at the residence, and wherever it is a question of students, maybe at hostel also. Second is all the household members or roommates in the hostel of COVID positive patient or individuals. Third is those who have provided direct care to the patient without appropriate personal protective equipments. The most important personal protective equipments are the mask, face masks and the gloves. Fourth will be those who are exposed to the patient's secretions or have touched the patient without appropriate PPE. They were present in the same room during aerosol generating procedures without appropriate personal protective measures. Contacts are also considered those who have direct contact with the environment, which is bed linen, medical equipments, bathrooms, etc. shared by the positive patients without appropriate personal protective equipments. Those who have travelled with COVID positive person for more than 6 hours together, and even the people who are staying in the same building as that of positive patients. Remember that first 4 are considered as high risk contacts, and those who share the same environment or have travelled together or are staying in the same building are considered as low risk contacts. The next question is, whenever you identify the contacts, what you should do? Now, if you are in contact or if a person is in contact and if he is symptomatic at the same time, the person should proceed for testing immediately. If the test comes positive, isolation of that individual patient in COVID facilities, maybe COVID health center or maybe dedicated COVID hospital, is must. The contacts who are asymptomatic, absolutely no symptoms, they can be put in quarantine at home for next 14 days. If there are no symptoms, once the person is put in quarantine, and if the person does not develop any symptoms during the quarantine period, no further testing is required even at the end of quarantine period. However, if the person becomes symptomatic during quarantine period, the testing is must, and based on the results of the testing, further line of action can be decided. Thank you.